Have you ever made a choice that shattered you? What if the most powerful people never feel anything before they act? That's the secret no one tells you. Thinking without feeling is the ultimate villain power. You're not making choices, your emotions are. You feel fear, and you freeze. You feel love, and you lose logic. You feel anger, and you self-destruct. That's how they keep you weak. That's how they control you. Villains, they're different. They choose their thoughts before their emotion. They decide, then feel. If ever. Villains like Johann, Makima, Aizen, they don't react. They orchestrate, they see emotions as tools, weapons, weaknesses in others. When they speak, they don't speak to comfort. They speak to control. Because they understand one thing. Emotions are data, not instructions. You feel scared, it's data. You don't obey it, you use it. Step 1. Detach. Before you react to anything, breathe and observe your feeling like it's happening to someone else. You're the villain now. You do not flinch. Step 2. Ask, what is the mission? Emotions beg for relief. But villains don't seek comfort. They seek outcome. Every thought you choose must align with the outcome. Step 3. Control your tone. When you speak like you already won, the world starts to believe it. Silence is your ally. Use it to disarm. Here's the truth, thinking without feeling has a cost. You will feel alone. Detached. Cold. But it's in that silence that your real self is forged. You stop chasing approval. You stop reacting. And you start choosing with deadly precision. That's power most people will never touch. The ones who win are not the ones who feel the most. They're the ones who can move, without feeling anything at all. Welcome to the villain mindset.